Hello, everyone. Welcome, dear friends, to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how to watch YouTube app and use some other apps on your iPhone. But don't forget, friends, to put likes to this video. Also, please write your comments after watching and be sure to subscribe to the channel. So, let's get started. And on iPhone, it is possible to watch YouTube application and at the same time use some other applications. How can you do this? For this, you will need to connect an option called Picture-in-Picture. In order to connect it, open the settings. Next, select General. Now please select the Picture-in-Picture section. And please enable this option. Then exit. Please open YouTube. Then go to the bottom right to the U section, Top Gear. Now scroll down a little bit and select this option right here. Here exactly the same way, find the Picture-in-Picture section at the bottom. And now every time you watch any videos on YouTube, you'll be able to just click on them and swipe. Thus, you will have a window with a video from YouTube on your iPhone, and you will be able to enter, for example, in some messenger or social network, and so on. That's the quick way you can watch YouTube and use other apps on your iPhone. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget, dear friends, please put your likes, write comments, and subscribe to the channel. Take care, friends.